Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Um, Today's topic is auto body repair and also dent repair. Um, a few months back, I'm at a Mexican restaurant ordering some food. The cashier is in front of me. I'm ordering my food, and they make this weird look and asking me, "Hey, is that your card right there?" So I turned around, looked. Yeah, why? What's going on? So they just told me that the person that was next to me, they somehow backed into my rear bumper. So as I was going outside, I made eye contact with that um, person, and they sped off. So here it is. I assessed my damages to my car, and it was a significant damage to my right rear passenger side. Wasn't the bumper? A little bit before the bumper to the backseat passenger door. It was probably about the size of a backpack, if I can describe it as that, or maybe two books. And I'm like, wow, they just take it off running like that. So I didn't know it any better and didn't start taking photos of or record that car that took the sped off. Nor did I take a picture or a visual of getting their license plates. So more of it was just a hit and run. The restaurant didn't have any surveillance cameras on the outside, so I can get some type of information of that driver. So in the end, it was my job to fix my dent. So I, post some ads or post some inquiries on some platforms on social media. Got a few quotes, and then some people said, go through your insurance. But then, of course, I have a deductible. I believe it's in between $500 to $1,000. Forget what it was. I forgot what it was. But I started getting some good prices to get it fixed. So one of the things that when you're looking to get your car fixed, whether it be a major or minor auto body repair or dent removal, I have a solution for you. I have a phone number in the description box below. This is a nationwide number. Um, they will fix your car at a great price, but also first go through your insurance, see what is the possibility, or if you're left with no other choice, the number in the description box below will definitely benefit you and get your car fixed. Um, these auto body repair shops, they're nationwide, also local to you. It's based off of just put your, call the number, put in your zip code, and they'll have someone with a reasonable price in your zip code that can get your car fixed when you need it. But thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101 and have a great day. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button where we share a lot of information of wealth, health, and just educating you on entrepreneurship. Thank you very much and have a great day.